Circles.
How would you like to have all your craft materials organized on your table, ready to use whenever you feel a little crafty? I have made this desk organizer out of tissue paper rolls and craft materials lying at home. Would you like to learn how to make it? Here we go. Here's what you will need. Some tissue paper rolls, a baseboard on which you can mount them when they are ready. Any sturdy paper will do. Some glue, double-sided tape, paints, washi tape, acrylic paint markers, and any craft supplies you might have at home. Stickers, stones, buttons, stickers, anything that you might have at home, and some printed craft paper also, like this. So let's begin. For the first roll, I'm going to use this paper and stick it on. First, cut the paper to the size of the roll, exactly the size that you need, like this. A little bit longer so that it can overlap. Then I've taken double-sided tape. I've used this double-sided tape and I've put it over here and I'm going to stick it on. Just roll it up edge to edge and stick it on. There you go. Now let's decorate it with some stones. Let's just put them around. There you go, that looks nice. So there's your first one ready. For the next one, I'm going to use buttons and I'm going to paint flowers around them. Stick a few buttons around. And now take your markers and draw flowers around them. You can use paint, you can use crayons, you can use any art supplies that you have. There you go. You can do different kinds of flowers, use as many colors as you want. It'll look nice and colorful. There you go. There's your second one ready. And now let's do one with washi tape. I have printed tape and I'm going to use it to decorate this tissue paper roll. It's going to make a very pretty holder. There you go. This is quick and easy and it looks very pretty and colorful. I'm going to use all different colors tapes. Make sure the edges match so it gives a very nice finished look. It looks very neat and colorful. Here you go. Match the edges, cut it off, make sure it's stuck properly. And one last one. There. So you have these three ready. I'm going to do one more which I painted in advance so that it would dry and I could stick stones on it. So this one I had painted in advance. I used red color paint with a paintbrush and I painted it on. It takes a little while to dry. And I'm going to take these stones, these very pretty stones, and stick them all around. There you go. What do you think this looks like? You need to complete them. Here you go. We're completing the circles so that we have stones all across. Here you go. We're ready. Now we have our 4 holders here, which we are going to mount on this card paper. I'm going to use double-sided tape to make sure it sticks well. So just put tape across like this, cut it And one more for safety. This is going to fit, check. Maybe we can stick one more to make it more sturdy. This should be good. Now peel off the double-sided tape. It's a little tricky sometimes, but it sticks very well. So just try and peel it off from the edges, and there it comes off. Easy. And now see how you want to place these. You prefer this or like this. See how you like them. I think this looks good. So take the first one and place it here and press it a little hard so that it sticks on. Here's the second one, third one, fourth one. Perfect. Here your holder is ready. Now you can put all your pencils, pens, scissors, staplers, all your stationery in this, and it will be nice and organized on your table. And hey, here's a bonus tip. I have made it in various sizes and stuck them one in front of the other so you can have a lot more and you can fit in a lot more of your stationery and art supplies. What you need to do is get your parent to cut these tissue paper rolls in different sizes. I've made some more designs just for you to get ideas. In this one I have used jute paper. I've mounted jute paper and just put stickers. Here I've used printed washi tape, painted it in black and used printed washi tape. That looks nice too. Here I've used more polka dotted tape. Here I've used collaging. I've taken strips of paper and just cut it into pieces and stuck them on. You can try all kinds of things with this. Let your creativity run wild and you can make all kinds of very, very pretty art to store your art supplies.
Go, sir, go, sir, goes.